Yeah, dot. Yeah, dot. Yeah, dot. Yeah, dot. So, we are gonna get Cyborg in block shoes. But first, we need to find all the chests in the game. Well, it's gonna be so hard. But not hard for me. You know what I mean? So, we're just gonna get into the finding chests. Oh, so there's a chest here. No Fist of Darkness. The chest should be here. Okay, got it. Now, yeah, I got it. No! Why would you take Oh my gosh, idiot. No fist. No fist. Yeah, that's it. Literally. It's been 50. No, it's been 43. No fist. And no fist. Oh, no fist. Bro. I need to find another fist. Bro, what is just here? Bro, what? Literally, these are the most random spots. They just haven't. Please get, bro. I don't get full body haki. Look, not full body haki. Look, not full. Okay, come on, this gotta be it, bro. No fist. No fist. And no fist, bro. Oh, no. Who's just hitting me? Who's just hit me, bro? Dude, bro. Stop. It's me. Stop. It's me. Okay, now. No fist. Okay. I'm trying to get. Wait. You just said. Okay. But. No fist. Okay. I'll just CB hunt. Bro said who wants Blizzard. Bro said who wants. Bros. Can anyone lend me fresh sand? Hey, bro. Me, I can. I got sand, bro. Yeah, I got sand. Yeah, it's so totally true. Come, I need it. Why would I believe this? I ain't coming, little bro. I ain't coming, little bro. I don't care if you're poor. Just get it yourself, noob. Then leave. Drink so, man. Bye. The sucker XD. Bro, it's been like 25 minutes. And still. Oh my God. Tabagajad. Umbakad. Umboloda. Brad. Gagaja. Yeah. 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 Oh my god, I didn't know I was recording, bro. I'm so embarrassed. Oh my god. Whoa. Bam 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 bam. Yeah, an hour. And also, this dude is CB's hunting with me. This cool dude. Rip_parallel. Wait, what? Parallel. He's using portal and his max level and he's pretending he has low bounty compared to his bounty. Okay. I'm wrecked, by the way. Tell him to join. Yep, I am wrecked. Wait. A sea beast. That's a fake one. I'm just gonna pretend it's a sea beast. Bro, that's a fake one. He's 10 million bounty. Why would I think? Bro, I'm just when I don't get it. What? It's another sea beast. Whoa. Oh no. You gonna stab me? Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Bro, I swear if he scams me and kills me. Bro, nah. Why you hit me? Don't do a fake series. Don't do that fake series. We need a real series. Oh. All this tried to set me in the diamond. Is he trying to kill me? He just tried to. It's not a real one, dummy. God, bro. Get different boats so it can make tents higher. Okay, I'm turned off. Haki. Move your boat. Bro, move your boat. Okay. Move your boat. I was about. Okay. Finally, bro. I think, no, I kind of believe him, because he said, okay, don't kill me. Let's see if he's spawned. What's he lying? He's lying, bro. Stop faking, bro. My guy is faking, making sea beast. He wants to trick people. A 10 million bounty exactly. Just testing out the CV's, quote unquote, CV's powers. Don't believe this guy. Oh my god, bro just tried to kill me. Where is that dude? Let's running. Oh yeah. I'm gonna hit you with this. Oh man, oh my gosh, he hit me. Caw. He's enabling PvP and attacking. What? No! Bro just stole my kill! Little boy, bro just stole my kill. You think he can get away with that? At least he lost his damn fruit, bro. Oh, he's finna use dough, bro. That dough fruit ain't finna help you. See, bro? Oh, he thinks he's good. That dough combo. Oh my god, he just dodged. I'm doing so bad. Wait, he's gonna spam observate. Oh. What? I'm trying to do that. Boom. I just went silent the whole time. Just for, you're so bad. You're literally fine. No.